Welcome to Globe 10. Today, we are exploring one of the most diverse and fascinating travel destinations in Malaysia. From futuristic skyscrapers to ancient rainforests, crystal clear islands to vibrant cultural cities, Malaysia offers something for every traveler. Whether you love history, beaches, food, nature, or nightlife, this country will truly amaze you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into this incredible journey across Malaysia brought to you by Globe 10. Before we start, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Globe 10, turn on the notification bell, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below about which country you want us to cover next. Your support helps us grow and bring more amazing travel content for you every single week. Number 1. Petronas Twin Towers, Kuala Lumpur. Standing tall at 452 meters, the Petronas Twin Towers are the iconic symbol of Malaysia's modern identity, and once held the title of the tallest buildings in the world. These twin skyscrapers dominate Kuala Lumpur's skyline with their sleek steel design and Islamic-inspired architecture. Visitors can explore the Skybridge on the 41st and 42nd floors, offering an unmatched view of the city's dynamic landscape. At night, the towers light up with a mesmerizing glow, making the surrounding KLCC Park a perfect spot for evening walks, photos, and breathtaking fountain shows. Inside, you'll find Suria KLCC, one of the biggest luxury malls in Malaysia, packed with designer brands, restaurants, cinema, and attractions like the Petronas Discovery Center. Just outside, KLCC Park features lakes, jogging tracks, playgrounds, and tropical greenery, making it both a tourist attraction and a favorite spot for locals. Whether viewed from a rooftop bar, a busy street, or the observation deck itself, the Petronas Twin Towers offer a surreal blend of modern architecture, culture, and entertainment that every traveler must experience. Number 2. Batu Caves, Selangor. Batu Caves is one of Malaysia's most famous cultural and religious sites, attracting millions of visitors each year. Located just outside Kuala Lumpur, this limestone cave system houses ancient Hindu shrines and is guarded by a massive golden statue of Lord Morrigan, standing over 42 meters tall. To reach the main temple, visitors must climb 272 colorful steps, each offering vibrant photo opportunities and sweeping views. Inside the caves, you'll find temples, towering rock formations, and open caverns that reveal the sky above. During the annual Thaipusam festival, Batu Caves becomes one of the world's largest Hindu pilgrimage sites. Beyond the main cave, visitors can explore other attractions like Ramayana Cave, filled with statues and murals that narrate ancient epics, and the Dark Cave, known for rare wildlife and guided eco-tours. The area is also home to monkeys, religious shops, local food stalls, and spiritual rituals that make the site rich in cultural and historical significance. Batu Caves is more than a tourist attraction. It's a deeply meaningful cultural landmark that blends nature, religion, art, and tradition into one unforgettable experience. Number 3. Cameron Highlands, Pahang. Cameron Highlands is a scenic hill station known for tea plantations, strawberry farms, cool weather, and rolling green landscapes. Located high in the mountains, it offers a refreshing escape from Malaysia's tropical heat. Visitors can explore Batu Plantation, where endless green hills stretch across the horizon, offering guided tours and tea tasting sessions. The region is also home to lush mossy forests, hiking trails, butterfly farms, beekeeping farms, and colorful flower gardens. Strawberry farms allow visitors to pick their own fresh strawberries, a popular attraction for families and couples. Traditional British-style architecture and colonial history can be seen in the design of hotels, cottages, and tea houses, giving the Highlands a charming European touch. The area's markets are filled with fresh produce, handmade goods, and local delicacies. For nature lovers, the mossy forest offers a mystical environment filled with ancient trees and fog-covered landscapes. With scenic drives, cool climate, and peaceful views, Cameron Highlands is perfect for relaxation, photography, and nature exploration. Number 4. Perhentian Islands, Terengganu. The Perhentian Islands are a tropical gem known for crystal clear water, coral reefs, and marine wildlife. They are perfect for snorkeling, diving, kayaking, and island hopping. Visitors can swim with turtles, reef sharks, and colorful fish in shallow waters just a few meters from the shore. The islands have two main sections, Perhentian Besar for families and resorts, and Perhentian Kessel for backpackers, nightlife, and budget stays. Jungle trails connect secluded beaches, giving travelers the chance to explore nature and wildlife up close. The water visibility is excellent, making it a dream location for underwater photography. At night, beachfront restaurants and bars offer fire shows, music, and relaxing seaside dining under starry skies. With its natural beauty and peaceful atmosphere, the Perhentian Islands are one of Malaysia's best beach destinations. Number 5. Putrajaya. Putrajaya is Malaysia's modern administrative capital, known for futuristic architecture, artificial lakes, bridges, and well-planned landscapes. Highlights include Putra Mosque with its stunning pink dome, the massive Prime Minister's office complex, and beautifully designed government buildings. The city features large green spaces, parks, botanical gardens, and scenic lake cruises. Visitors can enjoy peaceful waterfront views, nighttime lights, and impressive landmarks connected by artistic bridges. The architecture blends Islamic design, modern engineering, and environmental planning. Putrajaya is clean, organized, and calm, perfect for sightseeing, photography, and cultural exploration. Many national events, festivals, and fireworks displays take place here, making it a spotlight location for celebrations and tourism. Thank you for watching this video on the top attractions of Malaysia here on Globe 10. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel destinations. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next journey. See you in the next video. Safe travels and keep exploring with Globe 10.